Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a super important topic to discuss. If you've ever had your TikTok account hacked, you know how scary it can be. It's like losing a part of your digital identity. The feeling of helplessness can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to help you through it. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips that can save you. Your support means the world to us. Alright, let's get your account back. First, if you suspect your account has been hacked, time is of the essence. Open the TikTok app immediately. The sooner you act, the better your chances of recovering your account. Once you have the app open, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. This will take you to your personal profile page. On your profile page, tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner to access settings. This is where you can manage all your account details. Select Manage Account and then Email. This is crucial because hackers often change the email to lock you out. If your email has been changed, you'll need to click on Need Help. This will guide you through the process of reporting the hack. Follow the instructions to report the hack. TikTok's support team will assist you in recovering your account. Now, to secure your account, let's set up 2-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for hackers to get in next time. Go back to the Settings menu and select Security and Login. This is where you can manage your account's security features. Tap on 2-step verification and choose either SMS or email. This way, even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second verification step. This extra layer of security will make it much harder for hackers to get in next time. Now, let's talk about recovering your hacked account. If you can't log in, head to the TikTok login screen and tap Forgot Password. This will initiate the account recovery process. Enter your email or phone number and TikTok will send you a reset link or code. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it right away. Follow the link or enter the code to reset your password. Choose a strong password this time to enhance your account's security. Make sure to choose a strong password this time. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to make it harder to guess. If none of this works, you might need to contact TikTok support directly. To do that, go back to the Settings menu and select Report a Problem. This will allow you to communicate directly with TikTok's support team. Choose the closest option related to account issues, then explain your situation in detail. The more information you provide, the better they can assist you. TikTok support should get back to you within a few days. Be patient and keep an eye on your email for their response. Remember, always use a strong password and enable 2-factor authentication to keep your account safe. You can also check the description below to message an expert for other problems. We're here to help you with any issues you might face. That's it for today, guys. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Until next time, take care and protect